Organize your Apple Music playlists with folders in iOS 26. Here's how. Attention all music lovers. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to manage your ever-growing collection of Apple Music playlists, iOS 26 has a game-changing feature for you. Playlist folders. That's right. The same organizational tool that's been a staple for photos and notes is now available for your music library. Whether you have playlists for every mood, activity, or genre, folders can help you keep them neatly organized and easily accessible. Creating and using playlist folders is a breeze. Simply create a folder, give it a name that reflects its contents, and voila! You'll be navigating your music library with newfound efficiency. You can even create nested folders based on mood, activity, artist, or any other system that makes sense for your listening habits. But here's where it gets even better. iOS 26 also introduces music pins, allowing you to pin your most frequently accessed songs, playlists, albums, and artists directly to the top of your library tab. This means you'll have lightning-fast access to your favorite tunes. Of course, no new feature is without its controversies. Some users argue that playlist folders are a long overdue addition to Apple Music, while others question whether they're really necessary. What do you think? Will playlist folders revolutionize the way you organize your music, or are they just another gimmick? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more Apple news, be sure to check out our other stories on the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, AirPods Pro 3, and Apple Watch Series 11. With so many exciting developments on the horizon, there's never been a better time to be an Apple fan.